Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In this screencast, we will see about a Moodle plugin named as User Bulk Enrollment. This plugin provides the possibility to bulk enroll a list of users, and the thing is that the teacher or any other user only need to add the list of email address of those users in a specific field in Moodle, and then those users will be enrolled without any much problem. There are other technical methods like bulk user upload, but that includes some sort of creating a CSV file or some other tools, but the teachers are generally not that much technically capable. So this plugin can help the teachers to focus more on their core job of teaching and not dealing with some technical hassles like creating a CSV file of the users and all those things. So now let us see how you can use this user bulk enrollment plugin on your Moodle site. You can download this plugin from the link given in the description section below, and once you are there on the plugin page, all you need to do is just download and then install it on your Moodle site. Now we have downloaded this, so let me go to my Moodle site and install this plugin. So I'm on the site admin page and I will go to the plugins and then install plugins. And here I will just choose a file and then I will upload this file and click on this install plugin from the zip file. So now we have installed the plugin on our Moodle site, and these are the new settings coming from the user bulk enrollment plugin. And here you can see that first of all we can choose the enrollment plugin to be used by this method. So let me say that out of these enrollment plugins, let us keep it to manual enrollments, and you can also define the role to be assigned to the users who are coming from this plugin. So let me say that I would like to give them a student role as default, and then this is the navigation node placement where this navigation node for user bulk enrollment will be added within a course. So here you can define where you would like to add the link to this specific enrollment page. So let me say that it will be kept to the participants page drop down menu, and then click on this save changes button here. So now we have installed this plugin on our Moodle site. So let me go to any course and see how you can add the users to a specific course. So let me say that I will go to this course on my Moodle site and then go to the participants page here, and then expand this menu, and here you will see that we have a new link named as user bulk enrollment here. So let us click on this one, and as you can see now the teacher can also add the list of the users through their email address just in this field, and then click on the enroll users button here. So let me say that I will add a few users here. So demo at and just click on this enroll users button here. Now if you see that since I do not have these accounts associated with these email address, so these accounts are not added to this course because there is no user account created in Moodle for these email address. So you need to make sure that the teachers are using correct email address for those users who they would like to enroll in the course. So this is how you can use this user bulk enrollment plugin and help the teachers to enroll the users easily by just adding their email address in the sample field, and then just click the enroll users button to enroll them in their own courses. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. Thank you.